Ira Black here, and this is Vegan Tour Diaries. Can you grab me a fork too, please? Can you grab that one? All right, here we are. Vegan Tour Diaries Part 2, second episode. In Europe, this is the UK edition. We got young man Ira Black here with me. We're chilling at a place called By Chloe in UK. And we're over here by the Tower Bridge Park in the Tower Bridge. And we just ordered some food. Ira's already getting down on it over here. We got some vegan fish and chips. Ira ordered that, but I'm going to just go right in for it right here. Take a little sample of his. That was a kale chip, actually. And some smashed peas. Let me just sample right in there on this. Look at this. I'm filming this shit myself. I should have him hold it here. Hold it right there. Steady. Steady camera right there. Steady camera. Episode 2. One day we'll have our own film crew. Okay, let's dip this in this little tartar sauce right here. Look at this. This is insane right here. Let's see. Try a chip. Then I'll let him get back to his own meal. Great texture on the simulated fish.
It's tofu.
Simulated fish, tofu, whatever it's called. Ira's gonna get down on some mac and cheese right here. Tell me what you think about it. Shiitake bacon bits. What do you think? Wait till we get in on this quinoa salad. It's kind of a Mexican style. Has some soy chorizo, spicy soy chorizo. Go ahead, you say that 3 times. Spicy choy. Strike 2, take 3. You say it 3 times.
Spicy soy chorizo, spicy soy chorizo, spicy soy chorizo.
And that's why he got straight A's in school. He was an honor student. And a smart ass. Anyways, AAA smart ass, but we love him because he's one funny guy. Anyways, this quinoa salad is Mexican style, has some avocado in it. Comes with a little piece of lime here, some tortilla strips, some chipotle aioli. Is that how you say it? Aioli? Yeah? Yeah, amen. I'll put a little bit on there. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, lemon, yes. Put the lemon on the fish and chips. A must. Well, you gotta. Comfort food means you getting your hands dirty, you're licking your fingers, you're diving into this thing like it's the last meal you're ever gonna have. These fries are delicious. They're thick, they're crispy, perfectly hot, still edible. Try Tofurky Italian Sausages with sun-dried tomatoes and basil. They're non-GMO and meat-free. They're outdoor grill approved. Get 'em and grill 'em. Here we go. You got some of the beet ketchup, which is just seriously insane. I mean, you probably never want to have regular ketchup in after you have the beet ketchup. It's a little bit sweeter than ketchup, I think, but I tend to like sweeter things. How's that tartar sauce, bud? On this fish and chips vegan style. Tell us what you think.
Dank.
Dank. You going right in just with the hands, right? Like screw the fork. I'd say comfort foods like that. You just want to get at it, eat it, enjoy it, not worry about technicality of how you're going to do it. You don't need a fork, just right there. And yes, the chipotle aioli is also just dank. Okay, now I'm going to give a shot at this mac and cheese with shiitake, mushroom, simulated bacon bits. And I think it's what do you call the Japanese breadcrumbs? Maybe? Panko breadcrumbs, gourmet style.
Panko danko.
All right, we're gonna get in on this vegan mac and cheese. Has a little bit of sriracha sauce on the top. And like I said, the shiitake mushroom bacon bits and some panko breadcrumbs. To die for. Comfort food, 3-second rule right off the table. What you can do? I've been saying vegan food's exploding over here in Europe, especially in the UK. It's everywhere. They have vegan restaurants. Restaurants that aren't vegan have vegan sections in their menus everywhere in here in the UK. It's literally just a trending explosion over here. And also, I'd like to say it's great to be able to do this vegan tour diaries like this because we don't care how we look or what's up. You know, we run hard, we don't get enough sleep, and one show after another in a different city, different country. We were just in Germany 36 hours ago. I already played a show here. Day off in London with my awesome son, Ira Black here. And, you know, yeah, I brushed my hair, but we started off, it was overcast and cold. Now the sun's out and it's like a hot summer day in Los Angeles. So, brought my jacket with me. Now I'm carrying this thing around trying to figure out what to do with it. Anyways, Vegan Tour Diaries 2019. This is episode 2 in the UK at the glorious vegan restaurant called By Chloe. Try the Beyond Burger by Beyond Meat. It's 100% vegan, it has 20 grams of protein, and it's incredibly delicious. Try 'em and try 'em.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Once again, here it is. Veganism just exploding in the UK. The new trend is just unstoppable. I'll post some pictures of some products I saw that they're selling this as non-vegan now. Used to have labels that are vegan, now they have a non-vegan labels. I was predicting this recently. And eventually everything will just be vegan except for the things that say non-vegan. So it's going to have a teeter-totter effect where it starts to take over the regular food market and it'll start to get cheaper. That's my next prediction. We're on the UK at By Chloe. You can see a vegan restaurant thriving here, just exploding. People just coming in left and right. All right, forgot to talk about the smashed peas. Now we did eat most of them, but how often do you eat your peas? And these are smashed peas. That's great. I get the concept. I like all things vegan because they're vegan. But do I necessarily like the preparation of it? I think they could have did a little more with it, add some sort of spices to it or doctor it. They literally just smash the peas, put it in a pile. Maybe it's an English thing, I don't know. But, you know, I put a little more love into the peas, but hey, they made up for it with everything else. I mean, look at this. He's enjoying the hell out of this stuff. Bam! I have to steal a few of these recipes, borrow some of these recipes for the house. Vegan Tour Diaries, UK edition.
This is what vegan looks like.
Hello, Ira Black here. Vegan Tour Diaries. I'm standing here with Michaela. We're over here by the Tower Bridge of London, standing in front of the awesome vegan restaurant Chloe that we just ate at and stuff. Anyways, just ran into Michaela here. She's been vegan for 2 years, and we struck up a little conversation. Yeah, and I said, "What do you think about veganism?"
I think it's a great way to take responsibility for your choice on this planet, your health, and just as a society member in general. I think it's a good way to kind of impact everything, really, but on a scale that is completely conditioned to you. So I've really enjoyed it. I've never been this healthy. I've never had this much fun with food, and I've never been so sure on a decision that I made on a complete whim. But I stick by it, and I continue to
Totally.
my friends and family, and I'm happy to kind of engage with other people about veganism.
Yeah, that's awesome. Isn't
But without being preachy, it's kind of just what it means
that's
to
always
me.
been the thing. You don't want to preach it too hard to people. You kind of want to you can cater and help them and guide them, but you want them to find it for
I find
themselves.
it's always better to just be like, this is what I'm eating, do you want to taste it, as opposed to being like, you shouldn't do this, because I find that actually the conversation happens more naturally, and people are more willing to listen if you say, oh, why don't you just taste it?
Totally.
Like,
Don't you notice there's a huge explosion going on of veganism in the UK, especially in England? I mean,
it's definitely a growing thing, and I think people are more open to it now because it's so easy and accessible as opposed to when you first went vegan. It would have been a lot
24
harder.
years ago, yeah.
Yeah, so obviously I've been doing it for the last 2 years.
I was here
and I found it
24
really
years
easy.
ago, and they had products like the Linda McCartney products, the vegetarian stuff and stuff like that, but it was a lot harder than. I mean, they have vegan fish and chips in here. I mean, can you believe that? I mean,
Yeah, I
talk
had that
about
in my
embracing
freezer.
they talk about embracing the culture as well, you know, so that I think that's a good part of it too, when they start to make things that people are comfortable with too, instead of going, this is some weird shaped thing,
Like
and everything
tofu,
like,
and you're like,
what's
what is
that?
that?
You know, but when you get something like, this is fish and chips, or you know, like, wow, it's pretty good, and then they're like, but it's vegan.
Yeah, and you don't
we
tell
don't
someone it's
follow.
vegan, then you give it to them, and they're like, oh, they didn't even think of that being. I'm a nanny, so I work with kids, and I find actually instead of telling them that they shouldn't eat other foods, I just give them the choice of eating what I'm eating, and they're more than willing to taste it, and they kind of actually really enjoy it.
And that leads me to the next thing. That's why it's exploding and going to continue, because I even said this the other day to one of my colleagues that I play with, one of my bandmates. I said, for years I had to buy products looking where it says vegan on it or read the ingredients. And I said, at some point it's going to turn the other way where it will say non-vegan on a product, because everything will be mostly vegan. And I just saw it yesterday. I went to a place and they had a bunch of cupcakes, and a bunch of them said non-vegan, and then they had some vegan ones.
Oh, amazing.
And vegan was in smaller print, but the other one said, you know,
It really
cupcake.
highlighted the difference. That's good.
So,
Gives you a chance to
well,
kind of explore it.
Michaela, it's great meeting you. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your
Yeah,
time.
thank
And
you for the
yeah,
time to
this
chat.
is what vegan looks like with Michaela in London at the Tower Bridge.